subscription for our instant electrical heater. You can touch the follow to follow us and leave your email, WhatsApp, WeChat to us. We can replay you in 3 seconds. Okay. Today we will show you how our engineer, how the worker test our machine. Yeah. This is the first test. To blow up the water from every machine. Yeah, this engineer is testing. Yeah, you can see the outlet water temperature is adjusted. The mass outlet water temperature is 55 degrees. Now it's 50. Yeah, 50 Yeah, today our inlet water temperature is 11 degrees. Yeah, 11 degrees. So it is so cold today in China. Yeah. You can connect with the power cable, knife cable, electrical cable, and earth cable. Make sure you must connect with the earth cable. Yes. Yeah, we will also check every power cable. Yeah, we supply the cold water and test the heating function. Yeah, it will show the outlet water temperature.